These tiny gift cards are perfect for your holiday packages, and they only use a few simple materials. They're fun to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need 3 different sizes of hole punch, scissors, a ruler, a pencil, glue, toothpick, a marker, and a variety of colored papers. The first step is to make the base card. You can make them whatever size you want, but I find that 2 inches by 2 inches is a really good size for these paper punch designs. So you can use a heavy cardstock. I've just got a heavy paper here. I'm going to mark off 2 inches and draw a line and cut this out. Okay, then I'm going to find my 2-inch mark here and just fold it over. I like to take my pencil and run it over just to make a hard crease there. So there's your base card. Make as many as you need. To make the wreath, use a regular size hole punch to cut out about 50 green punches and use a tiny hole punch to cut out about 9 red punches. To make the penguin, you'll need 3 large black punches, 2 regular size orange punches, 2 tiny white punches, and 1 regular white punch. To make the snowman, you'll first need to cut a large white circle, a black rectangle for the hat, a long skinny rectangle for the brim, and an orange carrot nose. Then use your tiniest hole punch to cut 7 black punches, 3 green punches, and 1 red punch. For the ornaments, cut 3 large punches out of colorful paper, such as origami paper. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday ideas and craft projects. There's new episodes every week, so you don't want to miss one.